Hi, and welcome to Bites of Blessings, where we teach you to build your website one bite at a time. Today's overview is to help you understand the terminology that we'll be using on this site and to help you more easily understand what each thing does. So let's start real quickly here with what is a web hosting service. A hosting service is a company where you would buy your domain name, your website hosting server, and any security features you would want for your site. I'm showing you Namecheap here, which is what I use, and let's start with domain names. A domain name is a street address. Think of that as how you find the place you want to go to. So you would look for your .com, .net, .org web address that you want to create for your site, and you would search for it underneath their toolbar, and from there you would go on to hosting. We're going to look at shared hosting, and this is the web server that houses all of your files, all of your data, all of your information for your website, and it's also where people view it from. So when you're looking at a website, you're actually looking at files that are hosted on a hard drive somewhere, just like you have a hard drive in your computer. And that's all that web hosting is. From there, we're going to look at security and what an SSL certificate is. SSL means Secure Socket Layer, and it's becoming necessary for all websites. But if you have ads, media from other sites such as podcasts or videos, or if you have commenting enabled, or if you sell anything at all, SSL is a must-have right now. It encrypts data between the web server, that hard drive, and the browser that's viewing the site. This is important because information could be seen by any computer that gets between the start and end point, much like guards that are following a package along a postal delivery route. An SSL certificate will come in and protect that information. You can imagine that if you had credit card information, you would want it protected, and so that's what this is doing. You can also look at the Comodo website and see some information about all the different types of SSL that's available. And you can also look on the Namecheap site or other hosting site to see the variety of different SSL certificates that are available. And as you can see, there is a huge variety. And many people, if they're not selling anything, are perfectly fine with just having the basic positive SSL that Namecheap has through Comodo. Next, we're going to look at our cPanel. Once you have hosting, your cPanel will be given to you from your hosting company, and it connects you to the hosting server, and it gives you access to different types of functionality for your site, as well as apps that help you to do things more easily. You'll see here that we have everything from accessing databases, which is not for newbies, to domain names, if you wanted to add on extra domain name, if you wanted to add an email account, if you wanted to add some software. This software section is a little bit more advanced. I'd stay away from that. But further down here, we have the apps installer from Softaculous, and it has things like WordPress, which we're concerning ourselves with on this site, but a whole bunch of other different varieties of apps as well. From here, we're going to go into what is WordPress. WordPress is a content management system, or a CMS. It stores your files, your photos, and other media, creates pages and blog posts. It also has plugins to extend your functionality and design of your site. It uses themes to help you customize the look and feel of your website. And this image here is a screenshot of your dashboard, which allows you to have access to all of those things, to change, to add, and to delete them. Well, that's about it for today's overview. I hope that helped clarify some of the terms that we'll be using. And if you have any questions or ideas for other podcasts and videos that I can make, let me know and I will look into doing it for you. Until next time, bye bites.